Let's discover Chartnote's voice chart, a faster way to create clinical notes just by recording your voice. From the homepage, select Voice Chart. First, choose your template. By default, a SOAP note is selected, but you can pick whichever template best fits your visit. Next, set your visit type, clinical care, emergency department, or telehealth, and select your billing code. Assigning a patient to the note is optional. If you select a patient who has visited before, you can also add context notes to bring in relevant history. Head over to Settings to set your voice language, for example, English, United States, and add tags to help organize your notes. Ready to dictate? Tap the microphone icon to start recording. Remember, this isn't a conversation. It's just you presenting the case in your own voice, the same way you'd present it to a colleague. No need to worry about punctuation or spacing commands. Just speak naturally. As you talk, VoiceChart captures every detail accurately and transcribes it into a structured note. On the go, download the Chartnote mobile app to record your next VoiceChart session. Keeping your smartphone close to your mouth ensures accurate AI transcription. Once you're done dictating, tap Transcribe. In just a few seconds, your clinical note will be ready for review. Medical documentation has never been easier. That's VoiceChart from Chartnote. Try it on your next visit and see how much time you get back.